always wanted to be tied up.
These are the things that make you scream. These are the things that make you bleed.
Good afternoon, class. Today is your group assignment.
Guys, how did we miss this?
You see, right here on this idyllic campus, in the bushes,
I know dog skulls.
in the trees,
That ain't no dog.
around every corner, there's danger.
A student stumbled across the dead body in the library.
And you never know
I'm not going inside that creepy house.
when it might strike. You never know who its next victim will be.
How well do you know your students?
Thank you.
Well, be careful. There's a lot of weirdos out there.